Imagine a world where your money works for you, even while you sleep, and real estate is your secret weapon. Today, we're diving deep into how you can harness the power of real estate to build that coveted passive income stream and secure your financial future. Step 1. The classic rental properties. This involves owning a property and renting it out to tenants. Your passive income, the monthly rent you collect. To make this truly passive, the key is effective property management. You can either handle it yourself, dealing with tenant screening, maintenance, and rent collection, or outsource this to a professional property management company. Step 2. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Think of REITs as mutual funds for real estate. You buy shares in companies that own income-producing real estate like shopping malls, office buildings, or apartment complexes. REITs are a fantastic way to get exposure to real estate without the hassle of direct ownership. They typically pay out a significant portion of their income as dividends, providing you with a regular passive income. Step 3. Explore other avenues like real estate crowdfunding platforms. These allow you to invest smaller amounts of money into larger real estate projects, sharing in the potential profits and passive income generated. Step 4. Understand the numbers. Whether it's calculating cash flow from a rental property or researching the dividend yields of REITs, due diligence is crucial. Analyze potential returns, factor in expenses like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance, and ensure your investments align with your financial goals. By strategically investing in these real estate avenues, you're not just building wealth. You're creating a pathway to financial freedom and a more secure tomorrow. Start exploring your options today.